Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, turn around. You gonna turn around? Or you done? You done? Or no?
No.
Okay, turn around then.
You recording me.
Smile. Throw on the peace sign. Keep going. Your bike doing lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it. It leaning. You got to get them training wheels off. And don't do it like you did the first time. You slow down and you turn all the way around. And you do it slow. You ain't have to completely stop. Stay to the side and slow down, because I don't know how far they coming down. Stay right there. They turning. Keep going, they turning. Look at the struggle. The struggle is hard, ain't it?